Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Pandabuy. Let's get started. First, go to Pandabuy and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click to your profile icon, then select orders. This will take you to your orders history. Then select the order you want to refund. Scroll through your list of orders and find the one you want to cancel or refund. Once you've located it, click the order. Then select Cancel Order. To begin the refund process, you must cancel the order. Click Cancel, then choose your cancellation reason. Then click Confirm. Once confirmed, the cancellation request is sent, and your refund will be processed automatically. Once your order is cancelled, the refund will go to your Pandabuy account balance. You can use the balance for future purchases or withdraw it to your bank account or originally payment method. Processing time may vary depending on your payment method. You should act quickly because you can only cancel and refund before the item ships. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.